Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to customize your home screen in iOS 18. Are you tired of the same old boring home screen on your iPhone? Well, get ready to unleash your inner designer because iOS 18 brings a whole new level of customization. In this video we will explore all the ways you can personalize your home screen and create a setup that reflects your unique style. iOS 18 is currently in beta, so these features might change slightly before the official release. But don't worry, we will be here to keep you updated. The biggest change in iOS 18 is the ability to finally break free from the rigid app grid. Here's how you can do it. Simply long press on any icon until it jiggles like I am doing with VLC, and now you can drag and drop the icon anywhere on the screen you want. After this, our second is color coordination. Tired of the generic app icons? Here how to add a splash of color. While simply tap and hold on the icon. Now tap on edit. Now tap on customize. After this, now here tap on tint and select the color, any color you want to choose. After this, from here you can also select the automatic or dark mode on your iPhone. Do you love the automatic dark mode but wish your apps icons could adapt to? You can have the best of both worlds. In this, you have to do is simply tap on automatic, or you can simply tap on dark and select this. And here's another option. By going to edit, tap on customize, and from here you can select large or small for your app's icon. So guys, these were some simple steps from which you can customize your iPhone's home screen. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.